Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In today's video, I will discuss a topic about the rights of housewives against matrimonial assets. So, my name is Edlina MAISARAH BINTI AZIZI with the number matrix 281499. With that, let me start the discussion. Okay, matrimonial property refers to the assets that are obtained by a husband and wife throughout their marriage in accordance with the stipulations outlined by Islamic law. In the case of Awam v. Shamsuddin, 1997-11, Judge Ismail bin Yahya explained that the matrimonial property is divided into three types, namely, first, property acquired by the joint efforts of the spouses at the time of marriage. Second, property acquired individually by one party, usually the husband, because the wife does not work. In this situation, the wife still has the right to the property because it is the responsibility of the wife to take care of the household and children and also contribute prosperity and strength to the husband collecting property. Thirdly, property owned by one party prior to marriage but developed jointly at large during the period of the marriage. Okey, maksudnya harta sempercayaan adalah harta yang diperolehi oleh suami isteri semasa perkahwinan berpokok kuasa mengikut syarat-syarat yang ditentukan oleh hukum syarak, di mana harta ini adalah hasil daripada ikhtiar dan usaha bersama suami isteri dalam memberikan sumbangan secara langsung atau tidak langsung semasa perkahwinan. Islam treats the right of men and women equally. Kedudukan wanita dalam Islam adalah sangat tinggi. As a wife, Islam has given her rights that protect her from being oppressed and abused by her husband. In Islamic law, the rights of the wife over the husband are divided into two types. First, property rights such as dowry, maintenance and housing. Second, non-property rights such as getting justice in the case of rotation between wives and being treated well and not being abused. Okay, there are several rights of wife in relation to property such as dowry, maintenance, wills, gift or divorce, mut'ah, and inheritance whose laws have been explained in the Quran and Hadith. But there is one type of property rights obtained by women and not from the type of property mentioned earlier, which is matrimonial property. This property is a woman's right in the event of divorce, death or second marriage. This property is known as matrimonial property or joint property produced by a husband and wife during their marriage period. A non-working wife and a housewife are still entitled to claim cohabiting property based on indirect contributions in her marriage to her late husband. In this property, women have the right to take half of the property or less of it or even more depending on the extent of their contribution in accumulating or expanding this property during the marriage period. Matrimonial property also has been confirmed by fatwas in all states. Any working woman or housewife who is divorced or her husband has died or her husband wants to marry another wife, then the wife has the right to claim ownership of property under the category of common property at the rate of half as or less of it as a result of living together during the period of marriage or according to a court decision and based on the amount of this contribution. Women who are housewives and have made indirect contributions are entitled to maintenance in terms of food, drink, clothing, and shelter throughout a marriage as well as the distribution of an inheritance in the event of death. In the event of death occurring during the iddah period, the woman is also entitled to iddah and mut'ah support after the divorce as well as the inheritance of property. Besides, the process of claiming marital inheritance for a housewife is not significantly different from a working wife. In general, both housewife and working wife are entitled to a share of the marital property, matrimonial property, regardless of whether they were the primary breadwinner in the marriage. The amount of the share will depend on a number of factors such as the length of the marriage, the contribution of each spouse to the marital property, and the laws of the jurisdiction. However, there are few factors that may affect the process of housewives such as the extent to which they were involved in managing the household and raising the children. In some jurisdictions, the contributions of housewives may not be given as much weight as contribution of working wife. This is because some jurisdictions believe that working wives make more significant financial contribution to the marriage. Okay, to solve this issue, we need to educate housewives about their rights. These are some steps that can be followed. Firstly, understand the marital laws. Suri rumah boleh dibiasakan dengan undang-undang berkaitan matrimonial assets kerana dapat membantu mereka memahami hak sebagai suri rumah untuk menuntut harta sepenuhnya. Yang kedua, gather documentation. Kumpul semua dokumen yang relevan seperti rekod keuangan, dokumen pemilikan harta dan bukti lain yang menyokong tuntutan anda terhadap record keuangan. Ketiga, seek legal advice. Perkara ini dapat membantu anda memahami berkaitan tuntutan harta sepenuhnya dengan lebih terperinci. Yang keempat, negotiate with the spouse. Bincangkan kebimbangan anda dengan pasangan anda dan cuba mencapai persetujuan bersama mengenai pembahagian aset perkahwinan. Yang kelima, file a legal claim if necessary. Jika bimbingan gagal atau pasangan anda enggan bekerjasama, anda perlu mungkin memanfaatkan tuntutan undang-undang untuk menegaskan hak anda terhadap aset perkahwinan. Yang keenam, follow court procedure. Jika kes anda pergi ke mahkamah, ikuti semula semua prosedur undang-undang dengan tekun kemudian kes anda berdasarkan bukti dan hujah yang benar. So, in conclusion, housewives need to be aware of their rights in claiming matrimonial assets because they make significant contributions to the marriage even if they do not work outside the home. These contributions include managing the household and children and providing emotional support to their spouse. That's all from me. Thank you.